BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Due to new and recent research done by Riverbed Eternity, they say that the hardware requirements of Windows 11 are making it very difficult and challenging for enterprises and businesses who are running lots of devices to migrate to Windows 11, and that's due to the minimum system requirements of the Windows 11 operating system. Now, in this research, they say that more than a third of devices currently in use at the average enterprise and business are not capable of running Windows 11, and they also mention that the data for this research was taken from millions of employee devices used across hundreds of global companies, and they've published this research online in this PDF document, which I will leave a link to down below if you're interested. Now, if we scroll to this section, Enterprise Windows 11 Readiness, there's one or two interesting points here we can highlight. The first is the requirement for Trusted Platform Module TPM version 2 and Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, that's UEFI for short, are by far the biggest reasons devices will need to be replaced, according to their research. And they also say that a total of 19% of devices will need to be upgraded with more storage space. And this is due to the fact that the requirement for 64 gigabytes of storage space is the minimum requirement of the Windows 11 operating system. And then if we just have a look at those research statistics, we can see that UEFI is the reason that 7.03% of devices will have to be replaced and 7.73% of devices will have to be upgraded. And then TPM version 2, a total of 10.04% of devices will have to be replaced and 10.71% will have to be upgraded. So TPM is by far the biggest issue regarding the migration to Windows 11 in enterprises and businesses. And also a lot of you, including myself, general home users, have also found that TPM version 2 was one of the main reasons that users couldn't upgrade to Windows 11. And then if we just have a look at those total percentages, they say that 65.48% are ready for Windows 11. 22.29% of devices will have to be upgraded to run Windows 11. And 12.23% of devices will have to be replaced in those enterprises because they cannot run Windows 11 due to the fact that they do not meet the minimum system requirements of the operating system. And that's largely due to the UEFI and the TPM version 2 requirements. And then here at the bottom, as mentioned earlier, you've got 34% in total, which makes up roughly a third of devices currently are unable to run Windows 11 in enterprises and businesses, according to the Riverbed Eternity research. And I will leave a link, as mentioned, down below to this post and PDF document, as their research does give some in-depth and interesting information. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.